Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable and use the time tracker option in OpenProject. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in OpenProject, and what we want to do on the left hand side is go to work packages. Now, if you go into work packages, you will see right over here, if you open any one of these items, let's say this is the summary task. It's in progress right now. Double click it, it will open this up, and you can see that there are a few options on the top right hand side over here. Now, if you click on this one over here, it looks like a timer. Click on that and it'll start a timer, and this will allow you to manually add a time entry. Okay, and you can see your status up over here. It will have that time tracker over there. You can also go ahead and stop it right over here. So let's just, for example, let's just stop it. It'll ask you for a username, date, the amount of hours, which you would be able to add manually depending on your permissions. You can also add the work package that you are adding that time to, the activity, and you can add a comment, and then you can click on log. It'll allow you to just literally close that timer. Now, if you're not able to see this, you need to go back over here, go down to project settings. Within project settings, you will see modules. In modules, you will come down here and look for time and costs and make sure that the blue tick is on there. This will allow you to be able to use that time tracker. You can also put on calendar. Let's just click on save. I'll show you now. If you go back here, you go into calendar, and here, if you create a calendar, let's go ahead and create a calendar. And this calendar will allow you to also use time tracking. So let's just say, for example, you want to open something like this item over here, and the same thing, you'll be able to time track over here. Now, you can see there's the log time, and there we go. Now, if you go again back out here and go down to time and cost, you can actually set up the time and the cost. So here's a filter that you can add in here. You can also add different units, so either labor or cash value. So you can actually add a value to the time that you are reporting. So there can be a dollar amount per hour or per day, whatever the case may be, and you can manage this per member.